Hello again to the car maintenance man. Today we have a boot that doesn't shut. So we have to replace the broken part, which is the door catch. Start off, you have to remove the inner boot trim. There's one 20 Torx screwdriver on the right hand side. Once you undo the screw, you should be able to remove the panel. Careful not to break the clips. Secondly, you need a 30 Torx screwdriver to undo the boot catch. Goes across. Carefully release the clip. It comes across like so. The little catch, unclip it, remove the metal rod, get the new one, refit the metal rod, as so. Over, re-tighten the rod, like so. Give it a firm but not too hard tap just to get the clips to reconnect, and lastly reattach the 20 Torx screw. There we go. Boot now shuts and closed. Working as it should. Thank you for watching my video, the car maintenance man.